surgery. But this radio, the DB25-G, is fantastic. It hooked to the repeater really well. We can listen to a little bit of the net now.
That was certainly sounding good from the hospital there. I was really impressed.
So as you can see, it picks up the repeater very well. So does my super heterodyne little HT. It sounds rather good also. This one cannot hit the repeater though, transmitting. People don't respond when I use this one. It's probably because it's very quiet. This DB25-G, which is about 25 watts, I'll always have the links to get this. Right now, it's currently about $65. They have sales all the time. Use my link, you get a discount also. But I just mounted it to a little wood base, purchased a little pyramid, power thing. I got the one with the cigarette lighter, and that's because I already have one with gauges and all that. I wanted something that had a cigarette lighter. You can buy any one you want. This was, I think, $30 for the power unit. You connect it to that. That gives you power just like you were in your car, right? And check out this antenna that I have for it. And the antenna goes from, you can see right there, and I just have it on a baking sheet right here. Pretty cool, right? Just a little baking sheet. I think the baking sheet is 50 cents. And the antenna, I think, are about $12. And it really transmit well. And as you can, well, I just wanted to thank you guys for having this net. It's fantastic. One thing is my live probably didn't come out, but I will be putting out a really nice video in its place. So come by the channel, WRWX576, Crest 704. Fred, thank you very much. Outstanding net.
Chris, I'm really excited. I'm going to check out that radio. I have a feeling you're going to have a great video about it. And that's the Radioddity DB25. But by the way, your audio and everything is phenomenal coming from the hospital. I mean, it's rocking. So you're obviously doing a good job, and so is the radio. Thank you very much, Chris. 704.
You sound great like usual. Thanks a lot. Clear. Well, how cool is that? We got a really good audio check of the DB25-G. As you can see, it works really well. All it is just a little antenna that's connected to it. Real simple. I mounted it to this to protect all the cords. You know, you have the little cord here, and you have also the antenna. You don't want to bend this, and you don't want to bend this. It just gives it some durability, but it's, as you can see, it's a very small radio. It's not hot. You can handle it, and it's really easy to operate. Let me just show you this really quick. You get all your different channels right here. You can go through. So I got Crest member, Crest affiliate. You can go through all the different. You can always have 4. You can preset different ones. So let's say I want. If you want to go to your menu, there's your squelch right there. Go through it. You're good to go. Return. Real easy to operate this thing. I absolutely love it. And then you also have duplicate controls right here. I'm going to turn that off. Whoops. Turning it off. It says goodbye. Pretty cool. Like, again, you can customize these colors. And there you go. Lights go out. Really dig it. Fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it makes up for the fact that the net was not recorded very well, I believe. That's my guess. And that's a shame because this is just my little portable setup in my mom's doll room.